What's up, guys? Cadence GHG, and I kinda lied when I posted that video about a month ago about like, ooh, buy to the 250. I thought it was this guy hit me up and everything and was like, yo, I'm going to, like, I wanna buy your bike, can I see the videos, can I blah blah blah. I did all that. And when it came to the day for him to actually buy it, motherfucker was like, yo, like, 2 hours to me. As in, I didn't have time to set up a ride, I didn't have time for anything. So it's just out of the blue, which is kind of crazy. I was like, no, I genuinely thought you were interested, but I got played, and no one else has. So it looks like I will be keeping the 250, which isn't really a bad thing. It's my first bike. I wanted to keep it, but I also wanted to upgrade. But instead I all that. By the way, check out the Instagram, subscribe, TikTok, or even what's it called? My Snapchat. But yeah, no. So next summer I will be on a bigger bike, and also I will be probably stunting the 250. I plan on getting crash bars, new sprocket, new chain, like basically make it so you have like more low end and everything, so like it's easier to pop, all that fun shit. But yeah, no, that's it. Right now I'm just running to my friend's house, and I have 2 Pringle cans in my jacket, and then like under my shirt, it's on my skin right now, and it's starting to get to that point where I will no longer be riding my bike anymore, just because it's cold. I have a windbreaker on, but my hands freeze, my pants and everything. Just because, legit, just so I can wear it tonight. I have 3 layers. I have my pants. Under my pants, I have long johns, I think they're called. I'm kind of stupid and blanking. And then I also have sweatpants. So I have 3 things on. And my legs are still absolutely freezing. And it's like, I should have put on a sweater just because, like, it helps with keeping my arms. Well, yeah, I'm just tired. We're making me do it. Yeah, I got a lot to lose. I'm in 4th gear right now, so that means I was like, yeah, that's all you. I was like, I know it. I'm in 4th gear. I was like, getting better at remembering. But yeah, no. And then once it becomes like, it's getting to that point where it rained today. Luckily it's not raining tonight, or I would be staying home, which would not be fun. But yeah, I have so much editing to do, but I just haven't done it, because legit, I go out every night, I'm recording, that's footage. That's a video right there. So it's like, I could stay in, but like, I need to stockpile videos, just because once it becomes winter, like, I can't be on this anymore. I'm gonna need content, because I know I am going to be streaming and going to like Black Ops 6. I'm getting a mini bike, gonna be doing that, but you can't even do that every day because it'll be raining, pouring, or some fun shit. So it's like I'm kind of fucked. Like IRL content's gonna be put on pause, and then I'll probably go back to either no videos or just like gaming content. But like it's like gaming content I really don't want to do. I did that, but like unless something new happens and I start enjoying like making like gaming videos again, I just don't know what I'll be doing. But yeah, you can. I look jacked. Yeah, man, you know, like my line. Yeah, no, I had a ride home the other night. I don't know if I'd make a video out of it. Yeah, no, I was recording. It was a guy that was being an asshole. Oh shit. My foot scraped. And I might be going from a 250 to 1,000. What the fuck? You're not a cop? Why the fuck you going so slow? I was like, shit, is that a cop? Let me pass you going the speed limit. Yeah, but it also makes me not want to go that fast, just because like the faster you go, the colder you are. The 666. Hey, 11. I need to do another oil change. Yay. You say you know me, do you mean that? I don't think so, no, but yeah, no, it's beautiful. I might do a compilation of like 2020, like this summer, of like motorcycle shit, or just like shit I did in general. Oh, copper. I don't run at all, I only hold 6, I don't hit one of my demons in a 666. My semen, fuck it, I mean it. Something's hitting me in the neck. I don't know if it's my hair or... Oh, what the... RIP to that guy. Oh, because I don't have my shit closed on. Oh, bro. So windy. It doesn't even want to. Ow. you guys in the morning. Boy. Hooked up that relationship on my wall and perhaps too tall.